honestly, it's like watching a star already. You look and sound amazing. Well done, babe. Zoe.
When you started singing, like after the first couple of words, I immediately looked at Kelly because you reminded me of Kelly. You did remind me of Kelly when you were singing then. Like the little riffs were really pretty and like your lower register was really strong and like beautiful. Like facial expression wise, all the emotion was there. I just feel like we need to add a bit more light and shade in the dynamics, like bring it up in a bit like quieter every now and then just to make it more emotional vocally. But honestly, that was amazing. Well done.
Thanks, all. Kelly.
Do you know, the first thing I think that I noticed was the amount of passion that you had whilst you were singing. I think that really came across. You sort of like, once you were behind the mic, you'll have to forgive me, I think I'm having a bad day by here, I can't talk properly. But I think once you were behind the mic, even though you were still nervous, that sort of passion sort of like edged in and your energy was sort of centred somewhere else rather than on the nerves. You did get more comfortable as you were, you know, as the song progressed, and the riffs, especially, there was the one bit, every time you said drag, I don't know, you went up, you did something, and it was like, I love that. Every time you did it, I turned to Joey, I was like, I love that. And you've got so much potential. I think there's so much more that you can actually do. You know, the agility in your voice, your tone is just lovely. So I'm excited about everybody, I think, so far. Yeah, well done.
Thanks, Gail. Joey?
Sibel, where do I start? Again, we've seen people like yourself in terms of like who you are, your persona. It come to this process before, and there's so many people that come to mind, and I feel like I don't know much about your background with music and things like that, how much experience you got. It almost seems like you haven't done much apart from just in the out. And I can see that because you're kind of unsure, what do I do? Do I perform for them? But I can also see that behind that sort of nervous shell that you have, behind that is somebody who knows who they are and knows who you want to be as an artist. Your style, your tone, it's all there. The only thing that's holding you back is this shell. This shell around you is holding you back. This process will get rid of that shell, I can guarantee you that. But we can help you, but you have to help yourself. You have to really say, do you know what? I want to do well. I want to overcome these barriers that I've got. You have to do it yourself too, because we can only help so much. But I'll be honest, this is my favourite audition tonight, and I've loved everything I've seen so far, but for me personally, this was a moment I generally feel, in my gut, I really feel like there is something so raw and unique there. I really believe that. I can see us working you up because you probably didn't expect that. But I'm telling you now, 100%, I pray to God you stick at this, you commit yourself, and you push yourself, because I can promise you, you will shine. And all of us and everyone on the social media platform will get to see that. I really believe, and we look back at this audition, we're witnessing a star in the making. I truly believe that. You're making me emotional. You're making me emotional because I can feel that passion within you. And I felt that through the lyrics of that song. And you've come into this audition with that song. People help the people. And that's exactly the message we need in the world right now. And everything about that then was raw talent. And this is why, 8 years ago, I decided to sit there and create this process, was the likes of people like you. So honestly, I feel honoured that you're here with us. Stick at this now, commit yourself mindfully, and I promise you, you'll do exceptional. I really believe that, right? You've got to just keep being you. Whatever you want to do up there as an artist, keep being you. If you feel like you want to chuck a run in there, that's you. Do what you got to do, right? It's all about being yourself. And the more we see that, the more we're going to love it. Right, well done.
Thanks, guys.